In just 30 years, a small community on the edge of Arabia transformed into a global empire. This is the story of the Rashidun Caliphate, 4 leaders, 1 mission, and a revolution that reshaped the world. In 632 CE, Prophet Muhammad passed away. His death left the Muslim community in shock. Who would lead after the Prophet? He had not named a successor. The answer would define the next 3 decades and the course of history. The Muslim elders chose Abu Bakr, the Prophet's close companion, as the first caliph, meaning successor. His reign began the era of the Rashidun, or rightly guided caliphs. Abu Bakr faced immediate challenges. Many tribes rebelled after the Prophet's death, but through the Ridda Wars, he united Arabia once more and laid the foundation for expansion. Beyond next came Umar ibn al-Khattab, a military genius and reformer. Under him, the Muslim armies exploded out of Arabia. They conquered Persia, took Syria, and entered Egypt. He introduced administrative systems and justice reforms that would echo for centuries. Uthman ibn Affan expanded the empire even further. But his rule saw growing internal dissent. He is most remembered for compiling the official Qur'an, preserving the Islamic scripture in a single version. However, accusations of nepotism and unrest eventually led to his assassination. Finally, Ali ibn Abi Talib, the Prophet's cousin and son-in-law, became caliph. His reign was marked by civil war, the first fitna, a devastating conflict that split the Muslim world and gave rise to lasting sectarian divisions. Despite the turmoil, the Rashidun Caliphate laid the groundwork for one of the greatest civilizations in history. Its leaders are revered for their justice, piety, and sacrifice. They built an empire not just of territory, but of ideas, law, and faith. In just 3 decades, the Rashidun Caliphate turned the spark of Islam into a flame that would illuminate the world for centuries. 4 caliphs, 30 years, 1 enduring legacy. If you enjoyed this dive into history, like, subscribe, and tell us, who do you think was the greatest of the 4 caliphs?